Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to enable the developer option on your Samsung Galaxy phones. Okay, in Samsung phone guys, there is different method. In other Android phone there is different method to enable the developer option. Okay, so if you are a Samsung Galaxy phone user, so you can try this method to enable the developer option on your phones. Okay, so for this guys, first you need to open your phone settings like this. Okay, in the phone settings, scroll down and find out about phone like this. Okay, and in the about phone, here you can get the option software information. Just tap and open it, and here you can get the option build number. As you can see guys, just tap 3 to 4 times continuously on build number, and then your developer option is enabled on your phone. Now to open the developer option, go back and scroll down. At the end you can get the option developer options. As you can see guys, from here you can easily able to use the developer option. That's it. Okay, so this is the method to enable the developer options on your Samsung Galaxy devices. Okay, so actually this video I am making for my subscriber. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.